Hello, I'm Jere Kirkpatrick, and I'm teaching the fundamentals of metal shaping. I had a stack of 25 fuel splash shields to turn a 1-inch flange on. They started out looking like this, and by the time I was finished with the tucking, they looked like this. In order to make this transition, I had to use a process called tuck shrinking, which is carried out by using a wooden mallet. This particular one was made by a very experienced metal shaper named William Longyard. I'll admit that watching a bunch of hammering is not that exciting, but for those of you that are interested in metal shaping, you might find this very interesting if you watch each hammer blow, where they're placed, and how I control each tuck. After the flanges are turned, I'm going to take the piece over to my treadle hammer and take out any irregularities and make sure that the flange is flat. So let's see what a bunch of tuck shrinking looks like. So I hope that was enjoyable for you. For those of you who watch this thing all the way through, if you watched each hammer blow and where they were placed and how I kept up with each of the tucks and made sure that I didn't get any of the pieces, any of the tucks to fold over. Once they fold over and you smash them down, it takes quite some time to get them pulled out. And thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.